How to do CPA marketing as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do CPA marketing as a complete beginner to earn maximum profit and earn your commissions. So let's get started. You might have heard about affiliate marketing, and there are different types of affiliate marketing that you can do. One of the type that we do and that actually makes a lot of money, where you don't have to do anything and you don't have to invest a lot, is CPA marketing. What is CPA marketing? CPA stands for cost per action marketing, and it means that you will get paid every time there is an action on your link, on your affiliate link. So that's how simply it works. What we do is, in very simple words, for example, you are a CPA marketer, you are an affiliate. So you will sign up for a platform and you will get your own link, and then you will embed the link into your video, maybe on YouTube or maybe a content that you write on your blog. So you will add your link right there, and then it will allow the users to click on the link, and you'll be like, okay, click on the link and complete this survey. So they will complete a survey, they will do an action, and after that, once they do that, you will get paid for that. They will also make some points, but you will be making money like that. The more clicks you get, the more actions that are taken on your link, that will help you make money. So that's like really easy. I will show you along the way that what I'm talking about and how it works. The first step is how to get started. As a complete beginner, you have no idea where to go. So all you have to do is just simply go to cpagrip.com, and this is where you will get, this is a one of a very famous and was leading CPA marketing platform. All you have to do is just sign up for CPA Grip. It's really easy. I have already signed up, so let me actually quickly show you how you can do that. So on CPA Grip, if you go to register right here, you will be able to sign up by just providing this information. You have to enter your first name, last name, company, website, if you have any, and then we have street address, then we have publisher type, password, and some of the options are right here optional. And then you have to add right here that I agree to terms and services. Click on register now, and it will take you 1 minute to sign up and register for CPA Grip. So once you've signed up, this is my CPA Grip right here. This is where I do my CPA marketing. Let me show you how it works. Well, this is my dashboard right here. I just created this account for you guys. This is a brand new account. So you can see this is the total revenue, the money that I have made. And if I go to right here to my stats and go to stats overview, it will be able to show me the money I'm making. So this is an affiliate marketing that we do. And you can see I am making money with views, that how many views I'm getting on my video, on my link, on my survey. Then we have clicks, how many clicks I'm getting per day. And then we have leads, how many leads I am getting. And then we have a total revenue, that how much money I am actually making from these views and clicks. So that's how it works. You can also, customize your time frame. Your revenue will be changed this way. Then we simply set up a payment method on CPA Grip, and the payment methods are really, really easy. You can set up your PayPal, Payoneer, any method, or maybe direct bank transfer. So you don't have to worry about it that it's going to be really difficult for you. Well, it's not. All you have to do is just select a payment method. You can see we have Payoneer, we have USA Banks Only, and PayPal. So the payment methods are really, really basic. You don't have to create any account, and it's not complicated. That's what I really like about CP Grip. And you can see the payment status is going to be, you can withdraw minimum $50 from here, and this is where you will be able to check all of your total earnings and total paid. And now let me show you how we get the offers. If I take you to the offers right here, so we can actually go ahead and create links and make money on CPA Grip with 4 methods. So let me take you here. We have 4 methods on CPA Grip. We have a content locker. What happens here is that I can lock a content, I can lock a video, I can lock any content, a word within my blog. And whenever somebody will click on that word, they will be driven to a survey that they have to complete. Similarly, we have URL and file locker. It's quite similar. You can lock a file or you can lock a link, video locker. What you can do is you can maybe you have a video, and what we do is you can actually get a view here that the video is playing, right? Somebody is watching a video, and you can lock a content the time that this is when I want my survey to appear. And this is what they will see, that please complete this survey, and you will be able to continue with the video. So they have to complete this survey really quickly, which takes like maybe 10 seconds or 1 minute. They complete the survey and you make money out of it. Then we have offer walls. So this is where we get a lot of different offers, and we can just simply add that, okay, complete this survey and you will be getting 170 points. This is what happens on CPA Grip. Let me quickly show you here an offer wall. So you can see these are different offers, recently added offers and top performing offers. Now this is as an affiliate, I will be making one offer. And then we have another way to make money, which is to complete the surveys. So here you can see this is one of the surveys, and the payout is $6 with just one survey. Sometimes it's not just survey. We can also review an application. We can click on the link. We can check a website, or we can watch a video. A video can be like 30 seconds or 20-second video. So there are different ways to make money. The payout is given here, and you can see we have payouts up to $20. And then there are some top performing offers, such as this one. The payout is $1. This one has $3. This is $10. So these are the different payouts that we can go for. And to check offer, maybe let's go with this one. We have the payout of $10, and you can see this is one of the payout. I will be getting $10 out of it. Okay. And now what I can do is I can get the link for this one. I can become an affiliate for this one. And the more clicks I get, I will be making $10 out of it. But what I am doing is I'm telling people to complete a survey, to watch a video. This is really good for YouTubers and bloggers and people who have this kind of content where they know they will get the clicks because people will be watching their video, they will be reading their blog. So that is how we work on CPA marketing here. So all you do is you just copy this link right here, click on copy link, it's copied, and now I can just put it wherever I want to. I can add it in the description of my YouTube video, I can add it in my blog, the ways I showed you. Like I can log a content, I can log a video, whatever I want to do, I can just copy this link, and I will be making the payout for me is going to be $10, and people will be just completing the survey. Sometimes we do it for the points as well on CPA Grip. You can say that, okay, you will be, if you complete a 10-second survey, I will give you 100 points, or I will give you 20 points. So the people completing these surveys, they have these points, they have this goal that, okay, I will paid $1 if I have 600 points. So they are also making money this way, but you're actually making more money, you're making commission, and you're making profit. So that is how CPA Grip works. I actually explained you the very basic. As a complete beginner, you will now be able to get started with it. And now you know how to do CPA marketing as a complete beginner. On CPA Grip, we have stats and chart, monetization tools, offer tools, postback, referral program. So there is also a referral program if you want to make money this way. Account setting and support, really easy platform to use. I personally use it, that's why I wanted to show you. And the payment method is really easy, it does not complicate things for you, and you are able to make money by just sitting at home and doing CPA marketing. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do CPA marketing as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.